now for a special feature that Jeff has put together for us on the In Wheel Time Car Talk Show, and that's Jeff's top 5 fastest EVs.
Yeah, they are too, and this is something that everybody's in the EV craze. So, for most mere mortals, acceleration is measured in terms of 0 to 60. But when it comes to the fastest EVs on the planet, a better metric would be the sustained force. At 3 seconds to a 0 to 60 miles per hour or less, the vehicle exerts roughly the same G-force as a human has on Earth. So with this first one is a 2022 Rivian R1S Launch Edition, 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds, Conrad. The 22 Rivian R1S Launch Edition is a 3-row capable EV SUV, was on less than ideal terrain tires when they tested it. It blew through the quarter mile 11.8 seconds at 111 miles, 0.6 miles per hour. This meant the peak acceleration 0 to 60 was equal to the force of gravity. The R1S exhibited similar jaw-dropping performance of off-road, making it and its stablemate, the R1T, some of the best all-performing machines that Rivian produces. Now, that's only Rivian.
But an odd-looking truck.
Right. $75,000 will get it for you. The curb weight is 7,091 pounds, 11.8 seconds at 111 miles an hour. It is a 4-motor system.
7,000-pound vehicle.
4-motor system, 2 front, 2 rear, 835 horsepower, Mike, at 908 foot-pounds of torque.
All at the head.
All
7,000 pounds
basically all at the head. Yeah. Man. So our next one we've got on here. Now there's like 25 of these.
I've had that car.
You have. It is the 2023 Kia EV6 GT, 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. Now I'm ranking these from the slowest to the fastest as well.
GT, I thought GT stood for gas and tires.
Well, it does, but in this case it's electric. Proudly proclaimed by Kia, out of the acceleration, it can out-accelerate a Ferrari Roma, a Lamborghini Huracan, and the EV's driftable all-wheel drive driving performance even stands out for other Kia models. So this one kind of beats all the other stuff that Kia is producing. Fastest accelerating Kia and for 206 miles of range. So it's not very good. Far from the greatest, and is priced about $60,000, which is from where you live, Mike, that's $60,000. 4790 on the curb weight, 11.4 seconds at 121, Conrad. Motor layout is dual, 1 front, 1 rear. Horsepower is 576 at 564 foot-pounds of torquishness. I made that word up.
Did you like driving this, Don?
I did. I'm waiting to get into the Hummer.
Yeah, the next one is the 2022 Hummer. GMC Hummer EV Edition 1, first edition, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Currently, the fastest accelerating electric truck from 0 to 60 is the 2022 GM Hummer EV Edition 1. Why is it the fastest? Because Tesla is not in production. So this is the only one out there. 0 to 60 G-load of 96% of the G-force gravity. Special features and playful gimmicks abound from the truck's ability to crab walk, which I think is cool. Its removable T-tops, liftable suspension is called an extract mode, while slower than the RT1, which is on the Rivian side, over the quarter mile. Hummer isn't about practicality, and it's also an inefficient EV. Curb weight, Michael, is 8,976 pounds, 11.7 seconds at 105.4. It's
4 tons.
Tri-motor, 1 in front, 2 in the rear. 1,000 horsepower at 1,200 foot-pounds of torque.
And the brake calipers on that thing, they're about the size of a garbage can lid.
Yep. We're getting down to the 2022 Lucid Air Grand Touring Performance, 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds. Tesla got out a big lead on the electric-powered luxury vehicle, but Lucid might end up winning it. The warm and inviting Lucid 22, Lucid Grand Air Touring Performance. I'm putting Conrad to sleep.
We saw that over at John Gray's.
We sure did, and that car was gorgeous.
Oh, my gosh.
The paint on it was stunning.
Yeah, finish, unbelievable.
Don't let that fuzzy feeling fool you. The Lucid, also a hardcore performance thanks to its impressive handling and overwhelming power in sprint mode, which unlocks all 4 digits of horsepower, while the Grand Touring 1,050 horsepower soon will make it the most powerful one there is. So it's 5,256 curb weight, 10 seconds at 145. Dual motor front and rear. One front, one rear. 1,050 horsepower at 921 foot-pounds of torque. And let's see, my last one here is the Tesla. It's a 2021 Tesla Plaid, S-Plaid. It's 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds. So we went from a 3.2 down to a 2.3 in the seconds of 0 to 60. It is the fastest one tested thanks to the powerful, efficient motors. And I'm just going to get to the cutting here. It is curb weight of 4,816 pounds, 9.3 seconds, Conrad, at 152.2. Tri-motor, one front, two rear, 1,020 horsepower at 1,050 torque-ish.
Wow.
And it'll spank any other performance car that's
a
out
21.
there, gas-powered.
That's a 21 because they're all trying to catch up now with the old Tesla.
All right, time now for the in-wheel.